Olá pessoal, welcome back to Plain Portuguese, where you learn how to speak like a Brazilian. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so not to miss anything. Last class you learned how to use meu, meus, minha, minhas, seu, seus, sua, suas. The possessive pronouns related to eu and você. In today's class, you'll learn possessive pronouns related to ele and ela. A quick review of what last class was about. These are the pronouns I use when referring to things that belong or are somehow related to me. Meu, meus, minha, minhas. Do you remember when to use each of them? They depend on the gender and the number of the thing, the object they are referring to. And the same goes for the possessive pronouns related to you, você. Seu, seus, sua, suas. And how about the possessive pronouns related to ele, he, and ela, she? We'll see them after today's story. In our story today, the character is talking to the police officer because she can't seem to find her sister. Pay attention. Preste atenção. Bom dia, senhor.
Bom dia.
Não encontro minha irmã.
Sua irmã?
Sim.
O cabelo dela é castanho?
Não, o cabelo dela é loiro.
As sobrancelhas dela são finas ou grossas?
As sobrancelhas dela são finas.
E os olhos dela?
Os olhos dela são azuis.
Senhora, você e sua irmã são gêmeas?
Sim. Now, when referring to things that belong to him or her, you may use these pronouns. Seus, seus, suas, suas, taking into account the gender of the noun you are referring to and the number as well. But since the same pronouns can be used as your, yours, his, her, hers, what's the likelihood for some misunderstandings to happen? Huge! Well, our purpose here is to teach you Portuguese in an easy and effective way. Let's simplify it for you, so write this down. Every time you refer to something that belongs to a man, you can use dele, regardless of the gender and the number of the thing, the noun, the object you're referring to. Always dele. Every time you refer to something that belongs to a woman, you can use dela, regardless of the gender and the number of the object, the thing, whatever you are referring to. Always dela. Let's see a few examples. Cabelo, hair. O cabelo do José é preto. O cabelo dele é preto. So, I simply replaced do José by dele. Repita. O cabelo dele é preto. Now, a Laura. O cabelo da Laura é castanho. O cabelo dela é castanho. See? I replaced da Laura by dela. Repita. O cabelo dela é castanho. Olhos. Os olhos do José são pretos. Os olhos dele são pretos. Os olhos da Laura são verdes. Os olhos dela são verdes. Sobrancelhas. As sobrancelhas do José são grossas. As sobrancelhas dele são grossas. As sobrancelhas da Laura são finas. As sobrancelhas dela são finas. Recapping. When referring to his things, I may use these four pronouns here, or simply dele. When referring to her things, I may use these four pronouns here, or simply dela. Now we are ready to watch our story again. Preste atenção. Bom dia, senhor.
Bom dia.
Não encontro minha irmã.
Sua irmã?
Sim.
O cabelo dela é castanho?
Não, o cabelo dela é loiro.
As sobrancelhas dela são finas ou grossas?
As sobrancelhas dela são finas.
E os olhos dela?
Os olhos dela são azuis.
Senhora, você e sua irmã são gêmeas?
Sim. Did you like this class? If you did, subscribe, leave your comments and questions below. I really appreciate them. Thanks for watching another class. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!